Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So we have built a SolvYaar website in the hackathon. So we have included three partner technologies: Groq, Monad, and Fluvio Infineon. So moving to our website, firstly this is landing page, and when clicking on try free, we can directly move on of the main page, that is solver page of our SolvYaar. So in which we have with 5 inputs: text, image, voice, latex, and files input. And let me show you one example for you. So I have pasted the example, and by clicking on the solve button, we can see that this is a core concept, key point, solution steps, final answer, verification, helpful hints, related concepts of our the given problem statement. So here is the difference between our web is the other website gives you conversation chat, but in SolvYaar you can give a particular question, and it provides you a preview and the all other key points, key steps of the provided questions. So moving to the next part in solver page is the max tools, in which unit converter, graphing calculator, a formula sheet in which we can search any formula and get add to favorites and check in our history. Topic explorer is similar to the formula sheet. Brain boosters, in which we have the math puzzles games, and the problem generator, in which the problem is generated by the Groq API. We can have a custom topic and we can generate and play options A, B, C, D, and we have to select. If we select the wrong, we get a hint, and by selecting the right answer, we move to the new problem. So basically, it is directly generated from the Groq AI. So this solver page is fully developed by this Groq API. Moving to the next section is Max Mentor. Max Mentor is like you have to select one topic from the drop down, or you have a custom topic option. Select any topic. I'm selecting the graph theory. By selecting the graph theory, you have to select any tree structure. I've selected, and by selecting on the graph theory, we can see that we get some information about the topic, key points, real world applications, prerequisites, what you should have to learn before this graph theory, and difficulty level is medium. And here we can see the left side is the problem statement and the right side is the learning the steps. So we can click on the explain again button for getting a simpler version, and by seeing the step 1, steps 2, and when you understand, click on I understand button. And similarly, you have given us the same problem statement, but in this you have to solve by your own. You have to practice, and by entering in this solution box, you have to enter the steps. By entering the steps, click on fix format, so it will give you this format. And by clicking on the view formula button, you can view the formula of the particular problem statement. And by clicking on the show hint, it will give you a hint similar to the problem statement. If you want the answer, then click on show answer, then it will give you the answer in that format only, and click enter. And moving to the second step, similar like the first step. So I'm completing this, and by completing this, you can see you have completed the end step accuracy, topic mastery, and you can view detailed performance card also. So moving to the next section is practice section. Practice section is similar to the mentor section. You have to select the topic, and in this also you have a custom topic also. Select and click generate question. This is generating question is generated by the Groq API. It is similar to, we have to select the options. Let me select. As you can see, I've completed the test. When you completed the 60% of the score in the test, you get awarded with a badge. And let me move to the next section is interactive games. In the practice sections only, you have two games: transfer text and number maze. And this is a derivative game, and the second was interactive number maze game. You can play with WASD button also. Moving to the next section is Oracle section, which is mathematical division, in which you have to collect the cards. Like we have scrolled many cards, which is made up of the Monad. I have connected my wallet through this MetaMask account, and let me reveal a fortune for you. I will reveal one fortune, and this is my fortune card. And if I want to mint this card, then I will click on mint the scroll, and I have to pay only the gas fee. Let me pay for you, and after confirming, we can see that the scroll is minting for me. And after minting the transaction of condition, and yes, we can see we have I've added in my scroll sections, and you can see it. You can view a blockchain option also. And moving to the next is our chaos section. Chaos section is like we have 3 personas, one meme lab, and one unfiltered match GPT. In 3 personas, we have Pytha-Gawd, chaos calculus, probability princess. Basically, they are the chat only, but they will give you answers in their way. Just check it out once. And we have add-ons like science sections, in which we have the visualization and calculators for physics, chemistry, and biology. I will show one by clicking on the 3D hemoglobin, and we can see by in the 3D version of the hemoglobin. And same for the physics, we have wave phenomena and other things. By clicking on the play button, we can see the sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, and many more. And our dashboard. So dashboard is only viewable for the persons who are admin or developer, so they can check whether the how many unique formulas topics are being used by the users, the formula type distribution, topic distribution, and the query complexity distribution.